Oke.
Okay. Done ya. Okay.
Oke.
The first meeting is about greetings and introduction. So Mr. and Ma'am, what is the meaning greeting?
Greeting. Greeting.
Yeah, greeting. What is the meaning greeting?
Salam.
Selamat. Salam.
Salam.
Salam kenal.
Salam. Yuk, just salam. Not salam
Salam.
kenal, but salam. Yes, greeting is salam. So the next there is introduction. So what is the meaning introduction?
Perkenalan.
Perkenalan.
Perkenalan. Iya, bukan memperkenalkan ya, beda. So there is introduce and
Perkenalan.
introduction. And the meaning of introduction is perkenalan, bukan
Perkenalan.
memperkenalkan. Ya, perkenalan.
Memperkenalkan.
Because introduction is noun. Okay. So next. Nah, this one there is greetings. Ada salam atau sapaan. So like hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how do you do? I think this is so common ya. So common greeting for you. I mean, you know all if greeting like this.
Permisi, Miss.
Ya?
Bisa di slideshow.
Oh, I think dari mamnya sana bisa di zoom sendiri because kalau di sini I cannot mam. Kalau di ya.
Kalau pakai HP di Zoom.
Oh, pakai laptop nggak bisa di zoom ya?
Tidak, tapi kan gambarnya sudah besar. Tinggal tarik-tarik aja.
Harus setting.
Mm-mm. Ya, greeting. Jadi you all kalau misalnya bertemu sama orang asing, jadi nggak boleh langsung menanyakan nama dulu, tapi harus greeting dulu. So pakai menyapa dulu biar lebih akrab. So like example, hello brother, ya, hello sister, hello mister, like this. So like good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. So everyone here, do you know what is the different good evening and good night? Ada yang tahu? Tuh ada bisa dibaca ya, Sir ya. Ada yang tahu what is the different good evening and good night?
Good evening to explain the time, and good night to say goodbye atau selamat tidur.
Selamat tidur. Ya, oke. Good night for we before sleep like this. So, if you want to sleep, please say good night, not good evening. Ya, good night is same goodbye. Ya, jadi selamat malam yang bagian good night itu sama dengan goodbye. Like this. Tapi kalau misalnya mau tidur di siang hari, nggak boleh mengucapkan good night. Good night itu khusus, iya, good night itu khusus untuk di malam hari sebelum tidur, gitu. Nanti takutnya kalau mau tidur siang, boleh mengucapkan good night. Nggak boleh ya. Bolehnya itu pas malam hari. At evening, we call good night before sleep. Like this. Okay, this one the name greetings. Nah, asking someone condition. What is the meaning? Asking someone condition.
Menanyakan kondisi seseorang.
Kondisi seseorang, ya.
Keadaan seseorang.
Ya, keadaan seseorang boleh. Nah, di sini ada dua. Jadi ada formal dan informal. Kalau formal itu untuk orang yang lebih tua atau kita belum kenal banget, baru di tempat situ baru kenal, itu pakai yang formal. But if informal, we have best friend. Nah, pakai informal it's okay. Seumuran nggak apa-apa. Jadi biasanya kalau misalnya orang asing pakai how are you, itu mereka merasa dihormati banget. Gitu kalau orang asing. Tapi kalau misalnya di sini Mister sama Mom tiba-tiba bertemu dengan orang asing, tiba-tiba pakai yang informal, kayak contohnya how's life today atau what's new, what's up, kayak gitu kayak mereka nggak sopan banget sih, pasti punya pemikiran kayak gitu. Tuh. Jadi diusahakan kalau asking someone condition for the tourism place atau for the foreigner itu pakai yang formal dulu. So, here we go. Di sini ada yang formal. How are you? Ya. So, the next ada informal. How are you doing? Nah, pasti di sini menanyakan, how are you doing bukan artinya lagi ngapain ya, Miss ya? Nah, di sini depannya itu pakai how, sir. Kalau misalnya pakai what are you doing, maka artinya lagi ngapain atau lagi ngapain nih sekarang kayak gitu. Kalau depannya pakai what. Karena di sini pakai how, maka dia menanyakan keadaan, bukan menanyakan lagi ngapain. Gitu ya. Takutnya nanti orang asing atau foreigner itu menanyakan, how are you doing, Mister? What are you doing, Mom? Terus kalian jawabnya, I am eating. No, this wrong. Ya, how are you doing itu menanyakan condition. So, next ada how's your day? Informal. How's your day? Itu sama artinya, bagaimana kabarmu hari ini? What's been going on? What are you up to? How's life? What's new? What's up? Nah, ini bacanya bisa S-nya digabung dengan U, jadi what's up. Gitu. Coba, I want to... Siapa ini yang ada di sini nih? I want to Mr. Adam to read that vocabulary. Hello, Mr. Adam. Can you
Iya,
read?
sorry.
Ah,
Lagi ngemil. Asking someone condition. How are you? How are you doing? How yours?
How's your day? How's your
How's
day?
your day?
Ya.
What's been going on?
Hmm.
What are you up to? What are you up to?
Good.
How's life?
How's life? And then,
What's new?
what's new? Ya.
What's new? What's up?
What's that? Oke, good.
What's up?
Jadi ya, jadi dalam bahasa Inggris juga ada tempo dan nada juga ya. Jadi nggak flat kalau menanyakan keadaan ya kayak bagaimana kabarmu kayak gitu. Jadi ya dalam bahasa Inggris juga ada kayak gitu. So like example, how's life today? Bisa ditambah gitu. What's new today? Jadi jangan how's life, what's new, bukan gitu ya. Jadi harus ada nadanya. Oke. So, I want to hear the voice of Mr. Ari. Can you read that, Mr. Ari?
Yes, asking someone condition. How are you? Very formal. How are you doing? Informal. How is your day?
How's your day?
How's your day? What's been going on? What are you up to? How's life? What's new? What's up?
What's up? Okay, good. So next, I want to Mr. Ribowo.
Asking someone's condition. How are you? How are you doing? How's your day? What's been going on? What are you up to?
Yes,
How's life?
good.
What's new?
Good.
What's up?
What's up? Okay,
Very
good.
good.
Thank you. So next, Miss Hotima. Mom Khotimah, I mean.
Yes. Asking someone's condition. How are you? How are you doing? How's your day? What's been going on? What are you up to?
What are you up to?
What are you up to?
Mm-mm.
How's life?
How's life? Okay.
How's life? What's new? What's up?
What's up? Okay, good. So next, that is Mom Emilia.
Asking someone's condition. How are you? How are you doing? How's your day? What's been going on? What are you up to? How's life? What's new? What's up?
What's up? Okay, good. Thank you, Mom Emilia. So next, there is Mr. Ferry.
Okay. Asking someone condition. How are you? How are you doing? How's your day? What's been going on? What are you up to? How's life? What's new? What's up?
What's up? Okay, good. So today you know all about asking someone condition. Jadi kalian udah tahu nih, bukan how are you saja yang bisa menanyakan someone condition. Jadi targetnya kalian kalau ingin menanyakan conditionnya temennya kalian, jangan pakai how are you saja. Di situ ada how are you doing, how is your day. Katanya ingin upgrade your, ini ya, upgrading your speaking. Jadi jangan pakai how are you saja. Di situ ada banyak. Oke? Ya, ready ya? Ya, so make sure atau make loss how are you. Kalau misal tidak bertemu dengan orang asing yang benar-benar asing banget, itu jangan pakai how are you. Kalau udah kenal temennya ingin ngomong bahasa Inggris, jadi jangan pakai how are you, pakai yang lainnya. Di situ ada banyak. Biar apa? Biar mikirnya mereka, wah, kok ini beda sendiri menanyakan condition. Oh, udah jago nih bahasa Inggris. Nah, dari kata asking someone condition nggak pakai how are you aja udah orang lain menganggapnya udah jago bahasa Inggris gitu ya. Ya, jadi untuk kalian semua kalau asking someone condition jangan pakai how are you, pakai yang lain. Jadi bisa dihafalkan ini, bukan how are you saja. So good. Ini artinya sama semuanya, jadi kayak bagaimana kabarnya artinya sama semua. Any questions dari someone condition di sini? Ada pertanyaan? Clear ya?
What difference between English, British, and
Amerika.
America? Yeah, about greeting and introduction.
What is different British and America in introduction? I mean, the different one is about the pronunciation. If the British one, the pronunciation is with a R. So like example is if America style, my sister. But if British style, my sister. Like this, if British.
Sister. Very important.
Yeah. I mean,
Very
yeah,
important.
I mean the pronunciation is different.
No.
Okay. Any questions again? No? Okay, next about the response. Nah, this one. About the response, there is two response. There is positive response and negative response. So if positive response, I'm all right. I'm good. Everything's under control. Awesome. I think this one, ini ya, salah pengetikan ya, awesome-nya ya. O-nya itu seharusnya A. Okay. Next, there is negative response. I'm not good. I'm getting sick. It's bad day. It is challenging today. Jadi gitu, kalau misalnya ingin merespon positif, jadi boleh menggunakan I'm alright, I'm good, everything's under control, I'm awesome, kayak gitu. Kalau negatif respon ada I'm not good, I'm getting sick, I'm bad day, it is challenging today. Nah, bedanya bad day sama challenging today, kalau bad day itu berarti hari-harinya penuh dengan kegagalan. Tapi kalau challenging today itu biasanya banyak rintangan-rintangan di situ. Jadi beda, artinya beda. So, everyone, any question for this response? Jadi responsnya nggak melulu tentang, ya, I'm good, nggak gitu ya. Bisa pakai everything's under control. So, I'm alright. Atau tadi ada yang bilang pretty well. Ya, siapa tadi yang bilang pretty well? Who is answer pretty well? Tadi.
Mebels.
Ya,
Very good, very good.
very good ya. Tadi I hear pretty well gitu. Siapa tadi yang ini?
Betul ya.
Yang jawab? Siapa? Siapa? Mister siapa yang jawab pretty well?
Mr. Ariando.
Oh, Mr. Ariando tadi jawab pretty well. Ya. Itu Mr. Ariando dari mana pretty well?
Sometimes I watch English video that suggests how to respond when there is people give us a greeting, an informal greeting.
Informal.
Well.
things.
Pretty good. Something like
Pretty good.
that.
Pretty good atau pretty well tadi?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Hmm.
Informal.
Yeah, I mean the true one is pretty well. Is pretty good. Itu ada dua noun yang artinya mengartikan sama-sama. Jadi kalau pretty well di situ ada adjective dan noun. Tapi kalau pretty good di situ itu ada dua adjective. So cannot. So the true one is pretty well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pretty
So
well.
yeah, pretty well.
Kalau
I
biasa
want to try first. I want asking your condition and then please answer with everything under control. Don't say I'm good, I'm alright, but I want you answer with everything's under control. So I want to check
Mebels.
this answer ya. How's life today, everyone?
Huh?
Please answer my question.
Oh.
I will asking your condition and then answer with everything's under control. Jadi saya menanyakan kabarnya kalian, tapi jangan dijawab I am alright, I am good, tapi dijawab dengan everything's under control.
Oke.
Bisa?
Okay.
Can you? Okay. So, how's life, everyone?
Everything's
Under control.
Everything's
Extra.
everything
Extraordinary.
under control. Okay, because everything under control is usually used by America, ya, the people in America in English. Jadi gitu, kebanyakan film-film sekarang itu pakainya everything's under control. Jadi for upgrading your ini juga your speaking, jadi jangan pakai yang I am alright, I am good. Tapi pakai everything under control. Biar bisa mengikuti zaman ya. Ya benar, biar mengikuti.
under control.
Biar
Luar
mengikuti.
biasa.
Ya, luar biasa. Pretty well boleh. Itu biasanya
Pretty well.
anak-anak zaman sekarang itu pakai everything under control sama pretty well. Ya, biar kalian nggak ini ya, nggak ketinggalan zaman. Jadi saya kasih yang biasanya dipakai gitu. Biar masih kelihatan muda, like this.
Thank you.
Ya, jadi jawabnya biar nggak bosen. I am alright, I am good. Itu udah dari zamannya TK kan udah diajarin itu ya.
Yeah.
TK, SMP, SMA. Nah, sekarang for upgrading, don't say I am alright, I am good. Let everything under control
Everything
atau
under
pretty
control.
well. Udah, itu dua
Pretty
itu.
well.
Mm.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay. So, any question for the response? I think no. Miss,
Miss,
please.
sorry.
Ya,
Kalau jawabannya, sorry, how are you? Biasa-biasa aja gitu. Gimana Mas? Apa ya
it's
bahasa
so-so.
Inggrisnya?
It's
So,
so-so.
It's so, it's so-so.
Yeah,
It's
it's
so-so.
so-so. Yeah, so-so. So-so.
It's so-so.
Nah, it's so-so. Biasa aja
So-
gitu.
So, double
biasa.
so ya?
Ya, double
So-so.
so. Ya,
Oh,
Mas
oke.
double so.
so.
Ya, itu
It's
bahasa
so-so.
bahasa slang. Karena kalau di dalam
Sesuai.
ya, kalau kalau ditensiskan atau dibenarkan itu nggak ada,
Hmm.
tapi ini bahasa slang. Soalnya bahasa apa ya? Bahasa Indonesia itu kan bahasa yang ribet.
Iya,
Seharusnya
iya.
bahasa Inggris kalau misalnya biasa aja ya pakai pretty well ya cukup baik gitu. Tapi karena orang Indonesia meribetkan, biasa saja. Ya, makanya kita menggunakan slang tadi, yaitu it's so-so.
So-so.
Hmm.
Oke.
Ya,
Tapi-
gini-gini aja.
Tapi orang foreigner bakalan paham kalau it's so-so itu
Paham.
bakalan paham kalau artinya itu biasa saja.
Oke.
Biasa aja, gini-gini aja.
Ya, biasa aja. My day is so-so. Nothing special like this.
Nothing special.
Nothing
Kalau
special.
mau
Gitu
tahu
kan?
aja
Gitu kan? Iya,
bagaimana?
hari-harinya kan biasa aja. Nothing special.
Seperti kurang greget gitu ya.
Kurang greget nih ya, kurang greget. Oke, any question lagi? Mam, mungkin Mam Emalia, Mam Fatima, come on, let's speak up.
Mm-mm.
Ada pertanyaan?
What's-
Any questions dari respons? Atau Mam Emalia ada knowledge, new knowledge, kita sharing-sharing aja di sini. It's okay. Jadi sama-sama belajar.
Let me share a little bit. Sometimes you
Yes.
can say, I'm okay, or you can say, I'm great.
What, Mam?
If you want to respond, you can also say, I'm okay,
I'm
or
okay.
you can say, I'm
I'm okay. Oh.
I'm not okay. Yeah.
I'm okay. I'm great.
Yeah, I'm great. But later, the meaning I'm not okay seem like I'm not good.
Okay.
The meaning is same.
Miss Emalia.
Mm.
Like usually. What that? Seperti biasa. Like usually.
Let me. What? Pardon, Mister?
Kalau ini like usually artinya seperti biasa. How are you? Seperti biasa.
Same like yesterday. It is same
Oh,
like yesterday.
Same like yesterday.
Yeah, it is
Yes.
like yesterday.
Not
Nanti
bad.
nanti ditambahin belakangnya not special.
Not special.
Special.
Yeah, nothing special bisa. Jadi it's like yesterday.
Right, it's not special.
Kalau ingin fullnya, my day is like yesterday.
My day is like yes. My day is
My
like
day
yes.
like yesterday.
Miss, my day is like yesterday.
Yes, hariku kayak kemarin biasa aja.
Bisa aja.
Oh yeah. Like is not verb, Miss ya. So we have to put the to be ya.
Yes. Kalau simpelnya ya tadi itu it's so udah gitu aja. It's so.
It's so. It's so.
Yeah,
So.
it's so.
Moto aja. Itu apa gimana?
Ya.
Itu deh. Moto aja.
Mau tahu aja, kepo gitu ya.
Oh, iya.
Lebih ke kepo. Are you nosy? Kayak gitu. Are you nosy? Nosy is
Are you
kepo.
nosy?
It's like, yeah, nosy.
Oh, nosy.
Nosy, yeah,
Oh,
nosy. Are you nosy?
are you
Enggak
nosy?
sih.
Ya,
Kepo
kepo.
amat. Oh,
Iya,
itu.
kepo amat.
Kepo.
Kepo amat. Mm-mm. Oke.
Oke.
Tapi masa ini Mister mau menjawab kayak gitu?
Upgrading harus
Upgrading,
harus
upgrading, upgradingnya langsung kayak gitu ya, kepo amat. Oke. So next there is telling names.
telling name.
What is the meaning telling name?
Menyebutkan
Menyampaikan
nama.
nama. Menyebut nama.
Oke. Nah, di sini seharusnya ada sebuah kalimat di atasnya itu may atau would I atau should I, may I introduce my
May
name. Nah, di situ ada kata introduce. So I want to ask you, what is different between introduce and introduction? So who knows? Bedanya introduce and introduction.
Introduce is
Introduce is a
noun.
verb and
Sorry, verb.
introduction is a noun.
Noun.
Yeah, this
Introduction.
yeah, introduce is verb, introduction is
Introduction is noun.
noun. So the meaning too is not same. Introduce is memperkenalkan,
Kenalkan.
but if introduction is perkenalan.
Kenalan.
Ya, that is the difference.
Noun.
Ya, jadi kalau misalnya mau perkenalan, nggak boleh pakai introduction. Misalnya gini, may I introduction myself? No, this wrong. Ya, common wrong. This wrong.
Nah, ya.
Biasanya banyak
Coba dulu.
banyak yang saya temui menggunakan introduction. Itu kesalahan yang sangat fatal. Jadi menggunakan introduce ya. I introduce
Oke.
myself gitu.
Oke.
So what's your name? My name is bla bla bla. You can call me bla bla bla. Atau boleh pakai my short name bla bla bla. Everyone call me bla 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 gitu. Udah biasa, kayaknya semuanya bisa ya. Atau Mam Khotimah boleh. Ini what's your name bisa? Mam Khotimah, can you spell that? Can you read? Can you read Mam Khotimah? Come on. I want to know your pronunciation too.
Telling names. What's your name? My name is Fatima.
Belum, Dri, dicuci dulu sebentar.
And then
Yang mana
Ayam.
nih yang dijajah?
Ayam.
Hah? Pardon? Gimana ini?
Ayam.
Mam Khotimah first.
Fatima, iya.
Ya, Mam Khotimah. Come on, Mam.
Yeah. What's your name? My name is Fatima. I am Fatima. What is your short name? Khotim.
Yeah.
You can call me Khotim. Everyone call me Khotim.
Everyone call me Khatib. Okay. So I want to hear the pronunciation of Mr. Ferry. Okay, please read that, Mr. Ferry.
Telling names. What's your names? My name is Ferry. I'm sorry. I lost this signal.
Oh, you lost. Okay. It's okay.
Hello?
Hello? Yeah, I can hear your voice. Come on, Mr. Ferry.
Okay. Sorry, maksudnya tadi saya kehilangan sinyal waktu apa yang disuruh maksudnya.
Oh, please read the telling names. Dibaca itu.
Telling names. What's your names? My name is Ferry Nurjayanto. Lanjut yang I am ya.
Langsung.
I am maksudnya I am ini apa ya, Miss?
Sama artinya. Jadi my name is boleh pakai itu, boleh pakai I am. Jadi kalau perkenalan boleh langsung I am
Oh,
Sari kayak gitu boleh. Boleh pakai dua-dua, boleh pakai dua-duanya. Pakai salah satunya, dua-duanya itu sama.
thank you, thank you.
Oh, no, tell about job. I am a teacher.
And then what can I call you?
What can I call you? What is your short name? You can call me Ferry. Everyone call me Ferry.
Oke, good. Oh ya, this one. Mumpung saya ingat tadi membahas tentang kepo, itu saya ingat bahasa Inggrisnya di buku Betty. Bahasa Inggrisnya itu it is not your business. Like this. This one
Oh, it's not
ngomong kepo
business.
tapi masih sopan. Biasanya kan kalau orang Indonesia kepo, itu kan kayak nggak sopan. Tapi ini bahasa Inggrisnya kepo tapi sopan. It is not your business. Jadi kalau misalnya ada yang tanya,
Okay.
how's life today, Mister? Hah? It is not your business. Kepo. Gitu. Artinya kepo.
Oh, iya.
Bisa artinya kepo, bisa artinya ini bukan urusanmu loh, kayak gitu.
Urusanmu.
Itu juga artinya kepo. It is not your business. Ya, itu baru ingat.
Not your business. Okay.
Oke. So, next. Wah, I think our time
Is over?
is over.
Mm,
Tinggal origin or leave. Jadi
origin.
ada yang tahu bedanya come and live and stay? Langsung aja, langsung di sini. Langsung bedanya. Langsung come, live and stay apa bedanya? Come from, pergi kemana?
Kami itu asal dari mana? Live itu
Asal.
bisa
Stay?
dibilang
Ti-
tinggal di
tinggal.
mana?
Ya, tinggal di mana? Lebih tinggal
Tinggal
yang
di mana?
sekarang itu di mana gitu ya.
Nah,
Ya.
And then,
tinggal.
do you know what is the different peletaan in, on, at? Pernah dengar? In, on, at?
Ya.
Ya, bedanya.
Kalau in
Kalau
itu
in,
di kota, at
mm-mm,
itu jalan,
mm-mm. On,
kalau on ya. In at on.
in,
Kalau
On lebih
biasanya
besar.
mungkin
On lebih besar
ada di
provinsi.
atas ini
In
ya.
kota.
Oh,
At nama
kalau
jalannya.
at untuk jalan yang ada nomornya, kalau on jalan yang nggak ada nomornya mungkin.
Gak ada namanya. Mungkin Mam Emalia mungkin mau menambahkan gimana? In, on, at.
I think Mr. Ariando already answered correctly. In is for a city, and then at for the name of the street with the number, and on only with the name of the street.
Ya, that's good. Jadi lebih garis besarnya at itu biasanya spesifik. Jadi at itu spesifik banget. Kalau on itu nggak spesifik karena apa? Karena nggak ada angkanya. Jadi at gunanya untuk spesifik. So if you want to spell your dress lengkap, berarti pakainya at. Jangan lupa ya pakai at. Jangan melulu pakai in. Kalau in itu untuk nama kotanya saja. Tapi kalau
Nama
on,
kota.
kalau lupa, iya. Kalau misalnya lupa dengan nomor jalannya, pakai on. Kayak gitu. Intinya at di situ lebih ke spesifik alamatnya. RT RW disebutkan kayak gitu. Itu pakainya at.
At.
Tuh.
Nomor rumah. Nama jalan rumah.
Jadi
Oke.
apa tadi kalau in untuk
Kota, city.
kotanya saja, tapi kalau on
Alamat tidak lengkap. Alamat palsu.
alamat alamat palsu.
Tidak ada
Kalau at
nomor, tidak ada nomornya.
kalau at
Alamat lengkap.
Spesifik.
Alamat lengkap dengan nomor blok RT RW.
Oke, itu khusus yang alamat ya. Jadi in on at itu fungsinya banyak. Nanti loh in on at kan ini artinya di bawah di atas kan gitu, Miss. Iya, itu kan untuk benda, untuk menunjukkan sebuah benda, tapi ini untuk alamat gitu ya.
Yes.
Oke, good. Nyampe sini berarti tahu ya bedanya I live in, jadi harus jawabnya harus apa? I stay at, berarti harus jawabnya apa?
Ya.
Bisa ya?
Yes.
Ya,
Oke.
so your duty is make
Hmm?
introduction. Jadi
Mhm.
menggunakan dua-duanya ini, I live in sama I stay at. Coba
Live
besok saya koreksi bener apa enggak. Kalau pakai in itu jawabnya apa, kalau pakai at itu apa. Jadi pakai introduction. Nanti format introduction-nya saya kirim, dibuat seperti itu. Perkenalan. Oke?
Oh,
Okay, and then for your confident too, directly to make video. Jadi membuat video
video.
perkenalan gitu. Nanti dikirim di grup
Oke, grup. Hmm.
besok. Sebelum
Hmm.
kelas berarti udah mengirim semua. Oke?
dengan
Oke.
format yang diberikan ya, Bang.
Ya, format yang saya berikan. Boleh nanti ditambahi my hobby is like this, bla bla bla.
Hmm.
With good pronunciation. Oke?
Oke.
Oke.
Ya, boleh menggunakan ini, misalnya menanyakan diri sendiri, dijawab kondisinya sendiri. So like example, how's life guys? If I'm so today. Nah, boleh gitu. Jadi sekreatif mungkin. Jadi dipraktekkan tadi apa namanya vocabulary yang baru-baru tadi boleh dipraktekkan. It is not your business. Nah, boleh banget. Oke, jadi hari ini sampai di about life ya, buat belum interest sama hobi tentang alamat. Oke, kita lanjut besok. Because our time is up. Ini kalau yang di luar Jawa jam berapa, Mr. Brother?
Jam 10.
Mister
Jam
atau
10.
Mam?
Makassar 10 o'clock.
Wow, Makassar 10 o'clock. Oh my god.
Iya, jam
10 p.m.
10.
Already ini ya, already naik. I mean.
Ya. Hmm.
Ya, berarti luar Jawa ini semuanya udah jam 10 ya.
Awesome.
Mm-mm.
Luar biasa.
Ya, how can you
Semangat
choose?
untuk belajar.
How can you choose at 8 o'clock?
Well, actually, Miss, I just at 8 p.m. But the class will not start soon, so I moved to this time.
Oh, right. So before that, Mom Emalia, do you join other class or no?
No, this is my first time.
Oh,
But when I
first
when I
time.
register, I choose 7 p.m.
7
But
p.m.
I mean the class will not start soon, so I say I need to start soon. So they say if you want to start soon, you can move at 8 p.m.
All right. Okay. How about others? When you choose at 8 p.m., I think it is already night in your hometown. Yang luar Jawa ini.
Hmm. I think for me is I choose 80 o'clock because I think my tugas-tugas dari kantor
My
biasa.
duty?
Yeah,
My
my
duty.
duty from my office in 8 o'clock in the evening is finished, and then apa lagi?
Oke.
Ya.
Ya, kalau Mr. Adam jutinya banyak, berarti my Judes. Jadi jutinya itu ditambahin
Judas.
S. Ya, Judes.
Judas.
Ya, my Judes.
Judas.
Sejaman, jutinya ada banyak. Ya, how
Oh,
about Mr. Ribowo? What
Yeah,
is
actually, right now, 10 o'clock. So I choose time to 8, yeah. Sorry, 8.
Mm-mm.
baik,
But
Indonesia Barat.
yeah,
Baik.
so same like Mr. Adam. So back from office.
Break.
Yeah, just start to class lah. Mm,
Oh, right. So,
yeah.
what time you offer your job?
Yeah, not sure. Actually, 5:30 is over, but uh, depend on office or site or job. So can 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock is not can offer.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay, this is every day, yeah. Our class is this one, yeah, until Friday. I think the admin
Yes.
have told you before if our class is Friday.
Ya,
Yeah, and then there
Yeah.
is tests. I mean, like examination, like this in Friday. Okay. Okay, I think enough. Any questions for tomorrow?
Miss, what will be the topic for tomorrow? Is it continuing about this greetings and introduction?
Yeah, I mean, I will continue because there is a little bit, and then next, I will give you some issues like this.
no issues.
Okay.
Uh-uh.
And
And then
we discuss
before,
about the issues.
yeah, and then before that, I will give you some sentence for remember you, to remind you
Mhm.
about sentence, about simple present, present continuous like this, but just a little before we can get the issue. Gitu ya?
Okay. So,
Yeah.
Miss, about the
Okay.
test, may I ask about the test, Miss?
Yeah. What?
You said just now that the test will be on Friday. I mean,
Friday.
is it this Friday or next Friday?
I mean the last Friday because this one just 2 weeks, yeah. Our class is
Yes,
just 2
only
weeks.
for 2 weeks.
Yeah, I mean
Mhm.
the last week.
Oh, in the second week, yeah.
Yeah, in the
So, what
second.
will be the form of the test? Is it like an oral test or written?
I think all of oral,
Or both of them?
speaking, yeah, speaking and writing. So speaking for I want to know your pronunciation, and then writing, I want to know your tenses too.
So that's mean on the second Friday there will be no more class because it's only for test, right?
Yes, right, good.
Okay, thank you for your information.
Okay, I think Mom Hotima, are you asleep?
Mhm.
Baru makan.
Mom Hotima, I cannot hear your voice.
Masih mendengarkan dan mencerna.
Masih mendengarkan dan mencerna. Mam, kalau misalnya ini apa namanya belum paham bisa ini ya bisa apa namanya ditanyakan secara langsung, it's okay. Kita di sini sama-sama belajar. Ya.
Ya.
Hmm. So I
Oke.
think ya, so I think today belum bisa mengasih vocabulary karena waktunya udah habis. Besok di apa namanya diusahakan baca-baca vocabulary yang banyak karena besok kita diskusi about the issue in Indonesia. Like this. Jadi banyak-banyak vocabulary. So, thank you very much, Mr. and Mom, for joining my class this evening, and I'm so sorry if I have many mistakes for you. And last I say, we say Alhamdulillah together first, ya. Let's say
Alhamdulillah.
Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Our class is done. So thank you very much for joining my class this evening. And I'm so sorry if I have many mistakes for you all. Keep your healthy and keep fighting to study English. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.